Are you looking for a way to make some extra money? Well, in this video, we are going to show you 10 websites that will pay you daily within 24 hours. These are all legitimate websites that we have personally used and can attest to their reliability. So if you're looking for a way to make some extra money, be sure to check out these 10 websites. Before we begin, if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified of our new videos. So, without further ado, let's get started. Number 1. Google Opinion Reward. Google Opinion Reward is an app created by Google that allows users to take very short surveys and earn money doing so. The app is available on both iPhone and Android devices, and users can answer a few basic questions about themselves to get started. Surveys are typically only a few seconds long, and users are notified when a survey is available to take. Money earned from surveys is sent directly to users' PayPal accounts. While Google Opinion Reward is not going to replace a full-time job, it is a great way to earn a few extra dollars during your free time. The money can start to add up quickly, and it is definitely easy money to make. I would give it a 1 out of 10. Number 2. Enroll. As a website tester, you can make easy money with Enroll. All you need to do is join the website as a tester, and you will be paid for taking usability tests and providing feedback based on your experience. You can simply check the requirements, follow the instructions, and answer a few basic questions about your experience using the website. A quick few-minute test can earn you between 50 cents and $2, and a more complex test can earn you up to $10. While this is not the highest-paying website on the list, it is still a great way to make some extra money. Number 3. Second to None. Second to None is a great way to earn some extra income by doing things you love, like shopping and eating. As a mystery shopper, you'll work as an independent contractor, and have the full choice in deciding whether or not to accept or decline an assignment when they become available. Second to None was actually voted as Inc.'s best place to work in 2019, and offers shopping assignments across the US and Canada. All you need to get started is a cell phone, a reliable internet connection, and a means of transportation. Outside of that though, getting started is easy and you can start earning as much as $20 per hour. I'll give it a 3 out of 10. Number 4. User Testing. User Testing is a website where you can get paid to take surveys and test products. The pay is quite good, with some surveys paying $4 for every 5 minutes, $10 for every 20 minutes, and between $30 and $120 for every live interview that can last between 30 minutes and an hour. The only requirements are that you have a computer, a stable internet connection, and a microphone, if your computer doesn't already have one built in. You can get started by heading over to User Testing, clicking at the very top where it says Get Paid to Test, entering your email, and following the instructions to begin. We think it's easy to say that making a little extra money on the side, and helping brands build better products and experiences that will help people around the world, is a win-win. Number 5. Bird. With Bird, you can sign up through the app and start earning money by completing various tasks. As you complete tasks and level up, you'll unlock higher-paying tasks, such as collecting and charging scooters. Some active Bird flyers have reported earning as much as $100 per day collecting and charging scooters. Obviously, to earn this much, you need to be as efficient as possible. Having a pickup truck, SUV, or van is going to be a lot more efficient because it will allow you to collect more scooters. Overall, I'd give bird flying a solid 5 out of 10. It's a great way to make some extra money, but it's not something that's going to make you rich. Number 6. Market Force. Do you like to shop, eat out, or go to the movies? If so, you might be interested in becoming a mystery shopper. Mystery shoppers are paid to visit stores, restaurants, and other businesses to evaluate the customer service and experience. As a mystery shopper, you would be given a set of instructions to follow during your visit. You would then take notes and compile a report to give to the company that hired you. The pay for mystery shopping can vary depending on the difficulty of the task and the business you visit, but you can expect to earn about $20 per hour on average. If you're interested in becoming a mystery shopper, sign up with a mystery shopping website like Market Force. Once you're registered, you'll be able to view and apply for available mystery shopping jobs in your area. Number 7. Clear Voice. If you're a freelancer, you've probably heard of websites like Upwork and Freelancer. These websites allow you to submit proposals to clients who are seeking a service that you might offer. However, there's a new website on the scene that you should know about called Clear Voice. ClearVoice is a freelance writing website that was recently acquired by the popular website Fiverr. What sets ClearVoice apart from other freelancing websites is that there is no bidding involved. Instead, you submit your portfolio of work, set your rate, and ClearVoice will automatically assign you to jobs that fit your profile. Freelancers can earn anywhere from $200 to as much as $1,000 per assignment, and some assignments take less than a day to finish. So if you're looking for a new freelancing website to try out, be sure to check out ClearVoice. Number 8. 𝐥𝐢𝐤𝐤𝐞. With this app, you can complete small tasks for businesses and earn money doing so. Tasks include things like taking pictures of grocery shelves, auditing menus at restaurants, or going to company events to monitor quality and accuracy. Tasks on 𝐥𝐢𝐤𝐤𝐞 can take anywhere from 5 minutes to a few hours to complete, and you can earn anywhere from $100 to $300 depending on the complexity of the task. Anybody can make money with this app, whether you're looking for a little extra spending money or you want to earn an entire extra paycheck. Getting started is quick and easy. Simply download the 𝐥𝐢𝐤𝐤𝐞 app on your Android or Apple device, register your account, answer a few basic questions about yourself, and link your PayPal account so you can get paid. Give 𝐥𝐢𝐤𝐤𝐞 a try today. Number 9. Snapwire. Do you love taking pictures? What if you could make money from the same pictures that you post on Instagram? With Snapwire, you can do just that. Snapwire is similar to another website on this list, FOP, in that you can sell your pictures to brands around the world and earn top dollar doing so. In addition to photos, you can also sell videos, graphic design, and artwork. There are essentially two ways for you to make money on this app. The first way is by uploading quality photos, graphic designs, and videos to your portfolio. And when somebody buys something from you, you'll earn a commission. The second way is by participating in challenges or contests that clients put up. There's a list of requirements, and if your photo, video, or graphic design meets those requirements, the client will likely choose yours as the winner, thus paying you more money. Now, the amount of money that you make depends on the request, but it can range anywhere from $25 to as much as several $100s. And what's even more impressive is that you get to keep 100% of those earnings. Way to go, Snapwire. Number 10. Scribe. If you have good listening skills and can type quickly, you can make money from home by transcribing audio or video. Scribe is a transcription service that businesses can use to transcribe speeches, recordings, meetings, phone conversations, and even YouTube videos. You don't need much to get started, just a computer, an internet connection, and a PayPal account so you can get paid. A good keyboard with good ergonomic support may be a good investment, as well. Beginners can earn up to $800 per month transcribing, while more experienced typists can earn up to $3,200. Thanks for watching. That's all for today. If you have any questions, be sure to leave them in the comments below and we'll get back to you as soon as we can. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you found this video helpful. See you next time.